Hello my friends, welcome back to Cardz TV. This is Mary and today I have Cardz TV sketch number 52 for you. And this is going to be the fastest Father's Day card you've ever seen. I think I can make this in less than 5 minutes. But if we take a look at the sketch, you can see I've got all the measurements on here for you, including the circle and the little banner pieces. Now you can get all 52 sketches by going over to my blog, cardztv.blogspot.com. They're all there and they're free to download. Okay, let's get going on this card. Now, if we look up here, we see we have a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card base, and I just take a piece of white cardstock, and it's cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. I score it in the middle and fold it, and that gives me my 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card base. Now to go on that, we have a 3 3/4 by 5 inch mat. Now I cut that out of this beautiful navy blue. I love navy blue, but I wanted to give it a little bit of shine since this is a Father's Day card and fathers are special, right? So I backed it with a piece of gold shiny cardstock, and I cut this at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Then I put my navy blue piece on top, which, as I said, is 3 3/4 by 5, as it says on the sketch. I'm going to get this adhered to the front of the card, and I'm out of glue, guys, so I'm going to have to use my trusty tape runner. There we go. I haven't used a tape runner in so long I wasn't sure I remembered how. But it went great. Okay, now we take a look over here at our sketch. We have a mat that's 4 3/4 by 2. That's this mat right here. And another 4 3/4 by 1 3/8. And I found this cute navy and white striped. So I've cut one to go right here and one to go over here. Now, if you wanted to, you could do these out of 2 different papers just to give your card a little bit more interest, but I kind of like the navy and white. So I'm going to go ahead and get these attached to the front of my card. I really like how this looks with that little bit of shiny gold. Looks really nice, I think, for a masculine card. Now, the next pieces I'm going to put on this card, the circle and the little banners, came from some Cricut cartridges, and I used my Cricut Expression. Now for this kind of spiked circle, I used the Artiste cartridge, and I cut this at 2 1/2 inches, and that's on page 35. Let me get my cartridge book over here and show you. Right here, this is page 35, and this was cut at 2 1/2 inches. Then I came over here and cut my 2 little banner pieces at 1/2 inch, also on page 35. Then I flipped over to page 48, and I cut a white circle to go in the middle, and I cut this at 2 inches. And that's right there on page 48 in the Artiste cartridge. Now, I've gone ahead and stamped World's Greatest Dad out of some Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I used one of my Cardz TV stamp sets. And I've got something else that's going to go right over here. So I'm going to take my glue runner and get this circle adhered to this navy blue circle and get my little banners on the back. And then I'll show you what's going over here. And I used another Cricut cartridge for that. Okay, I got my little dad's medal all put together. And I'm going to put this on some foam tape as soon as I put my little embellishment right over here. And let me show you what that is. Now, this came from the Everyday Paper Dolls cartridge. I had to reach way back in the vault to find this one, guys. This is on page 56, and I cut this little trophy right up here, and I cut it at 4 inches. And I used some more of that shiny gold. And here's my little trophy. And I'm going to attach that right here on the side. And then I'm going to pop the whole thing up on foam tape. And that's going to be our Father's Day card. Now, of course, on the inside, I'll put Happy Father's Day. Here's my super quick and easy Father's Day card using Cardz TV sketch number 52. Now, don't forget, guys, you can go over to my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com. Pick up all 52 sketches if you'd like. They're all free to download. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for coming by and spending part of your day with me. I appreciate y'all so very much. I love you all. God bless you all. And I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.